If you'd like to see how I'm going to make a small but fabulous transformation with these Crocs by adding a little bit of bling to the strap, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be adding some embellishments to these transparent clear and white Crocs. And these are another pair of Crocs my aunt gave me. When I dropped off her other one, she had these ready for me. Now these are going to be different and very, very simple. This is going to be for those of you who like a little touch of bling. When I say a little touch, I mean a little bitty, itty bitty amount of bling, because the assignment is to not have anything on the shoe at all except for this little strap area. So she just wants some bling on this strap area, which should be very quick and to the point. I've already started to sand down the strap. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to have some sandpaper to sand down wherever you're going to be adding embellishments. After you sand, you're going to wipe down really good with some alcohol. Just a little Dollar Tree alcohol, a little Dollar Tree sandpaper. I'm going to be using some E6000 glue. And I have some 4 and 5 millimeter clear AB rhinestones and some clear 5 millimeter rhinestones. Now these holes here are a lot smaller than the holes here. I'm going to try to add some little bling, these charms, and I have these bling water drop charms available. I have a link available to where you can purchase these if you'd like to. And I'm going to add those here. If I can get this to fit, I should be able to force it in there. And then I'll just add some bling. Usually when I do the straps, I don't cover the word Crocs. Today I will be covering it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. Oh, you'll also need some type of wax pickup tool. I'll have a link available if you want to purchase one of these as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Once you've sanded down your Crocs where you're going to add your embellishments, be sure to take some alcohol and wipe them off very, very well. Now right here are the charms that I'm going to be adding to the straps. I do have these available for sale at myroyalradiance.com. There'll be links available for you to purchase them if you'd like to. I also have a video showing how to make these charms as well. Okay, it took a little struggle, but you want to make sure it's absolutely flush and flat. And I was able to do that. It was a little struggle, but it's in there because you don't want these popping off. So I'm going to add the rest. Okay, so this is how it looks with these on here. And you can kind of just, you can put extra glue under it if you want to, I guess. I feel like they're really, really on there good. But you can move them whatever direction you feel like it looks better. It kind of looks like it's, I don't know, I just feel like it looks better with them facing each other like that. I don't know. So you could just leave it like that if you want to. That's really pretty. But I'm just gonna go in between here, or maybe I won't go in between that area. Maybe I'll just go right here. So I'm just gonna start adding some rhinestones to it and just kind of see where this goes. Okay, so now I'm just adding my first line of E6000 glue, and one by one, as closely as I can, I'm going to start adding the rhinestones. I'm just kind of going to go line by line. You're welcome to go in clusters or whatever is easiest or feels best for whatever flow that you make while doing this. It's good to just pick up a nice flow. So you pretty much just pick them up with your wax picker and just keep moving, stick and move. So it doesn't take that long. As you can see, I'm not doing anything else to the rest of the shoe. This is just strictly the strap. So this is fairly easy, especially for you gals who don't want to deal with the charms, or maybe you don't want to have all those charms on your shoe, all that bling dripping everywhere, and you just want to have a little something just to have a little twinkle on your shoe. This is perfect for you because everyone is not like super over the top. There's many different color rhinestones that you can choose from, and also if you didn't want to do rhinestones, you could do pearls. So that would be really cute as well. Okay, so now I'm going to start the second shoe. I've already put in these water drop charms on both sides, and I'm just going to go ahead and add the rhinestone. If you're wondering about how long this took, I want to say this probably took me no more than about 30 minutes per shoe. This project is almost complete, and again, if you like to purchase charms, luxury charms, these water drop charms, they are available at the website. I'll have a link available in my description as well. Even if you're interested in purchasing my vendor where I purchase all my luxury inspired charms, I have that information as well. Okay, you guys, here's the final result of these clear transparent Crocs. I think these are so different. I do like the idea of them just having the strap done. I really do. I think even though it's a little bit, to me this is like just a little, you know, I think it stands out and it's still very bold. It's still a statement piece, you know. I think it's just enough. It's perfect. To have the whole shoe done, of course, is like my thing. But my aunt only wanted to have just the strap. She wore these on her cruise as well as the other black ones I did. Her black ones that she had me do were extremely over the top. So she wanted to have something that was over the top, and then she wanted to have something that was pretty simple bling. So this simple bling is excellent. Just think of maybe if there's someone who just, like I said, doesn't want to bling the whole shoe out. Maybe you're a beginner and you just want to test the waters and you just do the straps. And then maybe you can get more confident with it later and go back and add some charms. There's just so many different things you could do with these Crocs. So they're a really great shoe to practice on, to customize for yourself or even for someone else. Well, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did find it helpful or you received some cool ideas. Share it on Facebook or with someone who you think may be interested in something like this. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. And I just recently hit 9,000 subscribers, so I am so grateful and I am so happy for that. That just makes me so motivated to keep on making videos and keep expanding my content, you guys. And if you're not a subscriber and you're still here, thank you for at least stopping by. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out my playlist for Crocs. I have a whole playlist dedicated to Crocs. If you're into Crocs, you've come to the right place.